We are doing the basics of powers and roots. Write along with me and start your video.
Yeah.
Okay. If I have something that is called 3 to the power 2, okay? 3 is there and on top of it I have 2. Or I have A down and on top of it I have 3. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So this 3 or this A, they are called bases. What is it called? Base.
Yes.
Okay. So 3 and 2 is called base. 3 and A is called the base. And when I talk about this 2 or 3, they are called the powers. Okay. They are called the powers, or they are called the order, or they are called the index. Are you writing along with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry about it. But when it is 3 raised to 2, or I would say A raised to 3, what is called?
There is power.
3 is the base, A
Three.
is the base, and 2 and 3 is called the power, or it is called the index.
Okay.
Are you with me? So when I am saying 3 over 2, what do you mean by the power or what do you mean by the indexes? You will write what do you mean by it? It means that how many times the base needs to be multiplied to itself. Okay?
Yeah.
How many times it needs to be multiplied by itself. So if I write 3 to the power 2, what does it mean?
3/2.
So how will you expand this?
Uh,
This will be 3 into 3.
so,
Yeah?
okay. Yeah.
If I write A to the power 3, what does this mean?
A⁻3. A.
How many times the
How many times?
base needs to be multiplied by itself?
So A into
A into
A into A.
A into A into A. Okay, so I'm giving you some examples. Try this.
A.
Come on, X7. What did you do?
X into X into X into X into X into X into X.
So X you've written how many times?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hmm.
Okay. So X to the power 7. What does it mean?
X and X 7 times.
X is to be multiplied how many times?
7 times.
Okay. B to the power 6. What does it mean?
3 to the power
B
6.
to the power 6. What does it mean?
X 6 times.
It is B to the power 6. What does it mean?
B 6 times. B multiplied
B has
by
to be multiplied itself how many times?
6.
6 times. A to the power 4. What does it mean?
A needs to be multiplied 4 times
By itself.
by itself.
Okay. 7 to the power 3. What does it mean?
7 needs to be multiplied 3 times.
7 has to be multiplied by itself how many times?
3 times.
8 to the power 2. What does it mean?
8 should be multiplied 2 times.
8 has to be multiplied by itself how many times?
2 times.
4 to the power 3. What does it mean?
4 needs to be multiplied 3 times.
Okay. So when it is to the power, what does it mean?
It means it needs to be multiplied by itself that many times.
That many times. Now over here. How do you do?
This one, it needs to be like 2, 8, 2,
A is 2 times over here.
yeah.
And then A is 1 time over here.
So A into A.
So how many times you've multiplied A?
3 times.
So this will become how what?
3.
A
This
to
will
the
be
power 3.
3.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you another example. You have 2 and you have 3.
Okay.
How many times?
This 6. So A 2. So X needs to be multiplied 2 times and the X needs to be multiplied 3 times. So
X
X
is
and
to be multiplied 2 times.
times and
And X
X
has to be multiplied how many times?
3 times. So X into 6. X to the power of 6.
You multiply, see how many, this is how much? 2.
Okay.
And this is how
2,
much?
3.
So total is how much?
Total is 1 second. Yeah, total is 3 to 5.
Hmm?
1 second. 2 plus 3, right? So 5.
Okay. 5. So X will be to the power
Of 5.
Okay. Now over here.
Okay. X I need to, the first one I need to write 4 times and the other one I need to write 3 times. So 4 plus 3. So I will write X
4 plus 3 is how
X
much?
7.
7. Okay. So you need to understand one thing over here. Whenever you have X to the power something and you have X to the power something. Okay.
Okay.
And there is a multiplication sign.
Yeah.
Multiplication means what? You have to
Multiply.
add the powers.
Okay.
What does it mean?
Add the powers.
Add the powers. Now, can you do this over here?
Which one? Okay.
Come on, tell directly.
That one 7, 6 to the power of 7.
So this is B, not 6.
Sorry,
B
B
to
to
the
the
power
power.
7. Okay, can you do the next one?
1 second. The next one is 6, 6, sorry, B to the power. But this one is 1 second.
What will you add to each other?
6 plus 8.
You can use calculator.
14. Yeah, 14. So 6 to the power of 14.
B. Next one.
B to the power of 14. X to the power of 4.
4.
Yeah, 5.
Don't forget that one over there.
Okay.
I'll give you some more examples. And this will become what?
X to the power of 7.
This
2 to the power of 7.
4 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 will become 5 to the power of 5. 7 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 8. X to the power of 9.
Come on, first simplify the x part.
X part, this one, the 7th one is.
This will be x to the power of what?
5. X to the power. So 2x 5.
Okay, first I simplified x, right?
Yeah.
Now 2 into 2 will be what?
2 into 2 is 4.
Done.
So 4x. Okay.
Next one.
4. 1 second. 4. 6, 8. 4 to the power of 8.
Then
11 to the power of 5.
so now you've understood powers and roots.
Yeah.
Now whenever you have only numbers, you see over here,
Yeah.
you have to use your calculator and simplify it further. Take your calculator.
Yeah.
Taken your calculator.
Yeah, I took.
Okay. Now 5 to the power of 5.
How do I do power?
5 to the power of 5.
5. Okay, I did that.
See this part? You can see this part?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So I read 5 to the power of 5. What is the
5.
answer?
3, 1, 2, 5.
Okay, then next one I will do. 7 to the power of
6. 1, 1, 7, 6, 4, 9.
7 to the power of 6. So 1, 1, 7, 6, 4, 9. Then you will do 3 to the power 8.
6, 5, 6, 1.
So whenever there are numbers, you have to simplify it further.
Okay.
4 to the power 8.
6, 5, 5, 3, 6.
And then 11 to the power 5.
1, 6, 1, 0, 5, 1.
Yeah. So you understood powers and roots completely. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'll take you to simplifying algebra.